So I think I just might have found the 2 slowest cars on the planet. Here they come right now. Oh, what's up, guys? Oh, what's up, guys? Oh, what's up, dude?
I'm gonna change right now.
Oh, what's up?
What's up, dude?
You wanna change?
Yeah.
You wanna look sexy for me?
Yeah. Look at my tires, look.
Damn, look at those wheels, bro.
Look at my tires, they're getting destroyed.
Stand slide. Stand slide. Dude, change?
Let's get out of the wind. Yeah.
Get out of the wind, because it's windy, bro.
Come on, dude.
What's up, dude? All I'm saying, bro, is that my fitment is trash. And I need to cut the inside of this quarter panel so I can run wider spacers, which I'm gonna do really soon.
Hey.
Oh, what's up, dude?
What's up, dude?
Thanks for being late.
It's not my fault.
Yeah, it was.
Okay, it is.
I don't need to run spacers. My fitment is already fucked.
Did you record this yet?
Fucked? You mean glorious?
It's already done.
You mean glorious?
I still need to roll the fenders for the stupid 8.5s to fit.
Is your
Fucking
fitment-
Velociters, dude.
Weak ass fitments, huh?
Yeah,
Hey,
stock they're
and they look wide.
Did you record this
They
yet?
look wide, but it's because it's a small car.
No, we're not gonna record that yet, bro. That's
Just
later
look
on in
clean,
the
though.
video, bro.
Oh, you got that one?
Yeah, it looks
Is that
good.
the new?
We can't open it yet. It's a secret.
Oh.
Still
Don't?
can't figure it
man.
out.
Okay, this is what you do. This is what you don't do.
Let's do the dump.
Don't kill a whale or a dolphin. We'll let you do it. Hold on. Get in the mindset. Remember, you're a gay.
Remember, just say it. Just say it. Go.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Static Works.
Today, we're gonna be installing studs and PBM lug nuts on my E46 sedan, 5-speed. More and blurring out my.
Oh, your number's on here. Shit.
Oh, take it off. Oh.
That'll work.
Oh, Static Works. That's where you ship it to.
Nobody stalk us.
Hey.
Nobody stalk Danny because I don't
Say
live here. Remember when I told you guys to send us a knife? I'm gonna have to make one myself. Check it out. Give me about a week.
Static Works knife?
I can't put Static Works on it.
Why?
It's not gonna be that easy.
Why?
It's a lot of work.
We gotta be like Unbox Therapy, bro. We gotta have our own knives. The studs I decided to get were the Apex Racing 75mm extended lugs. They're really good quality, and to match with that, I also decided to get. Tell them.
Well, I don't even know what they're called.
Oh, bro, how do you not know?
Because I'm still
PBM,
waiting
bro?
for mine.
How do you not know PBM?
I've
bro?
been waiting over 2 weeks now. My wheels came in before my damn lugs, and I had to use my stock ones, and the stock ones barely fit, and they scratched up my rims because they couldn't fit. Son of a. You guys gotta hurry up and send
Son
my
of a
shit.
Parts by Max. I did decide to get the PBM Parts by Max steel lug nuts. They are heavier. They do rust, but since it's clear coated, I think we'll be fine. And with it being steel, it's not gonna expand with heat like aluminum does. I did decide to get the Spline Racing ones, so it's not just a normal 17mm that can unlock it. You're gonna have to use this special adapter, and that prevents wheel thieves. I shouldn't say car thieves. Wheel thieves from stealing my wheels. I mean, I'm pretty sure they can get a hand on this, but it's always good to use some extra protection on some rep wheels, because you know everyone wants reps. The first thing we have to do is obviously jack up the car. I believe we're gonna put it all on 4 jack stands just so we can all do it together.
That's stupid.
What?
That's stupid. Just do one at a time.
Why? So you have to jack up the car one at a time? That takes forever.
No. Jacking
Yes.
all 4 takes like half hour to set it
No.
up perfect.
You think I like to cut the butt?
No.
2 things I highly recommend when installing the studs is a torque wrench that can go up to 85 foot-pounds, which is what you have to tighten the wheels to, and blue thread locker. You can use red, but I've heard for studs you should use blue just in case, because red is for heavy duty applications, and I've heard nightmares about taking off those studs with red thread locker.
We're smart, so we're gonna do it one at a time. We're not stupid like Danny.
Yeah?
Smarter this way.
Yeah?
How you gonna tighten it?
What do you mean, bro?
Dude?
Bro, dude?
Dude?
What?
You're still gonna have to jack it down to tighten it before you lower it all the way. Stupid. Oh, I think I tightened it. That's why.
No, you didn't. It's because I used the torque wrench for the first time.
Nice.
For all my G bros, go give them a clip. Go give them a clip of how good it looks right now. Ooh.
Is that a tomato?
Alright, you want to make sure this is the right one, because sometimes you might get the wrong one. I mean, it fits in by hand, you're good.
I believe it's a 12 by 1.5 thread.
So now I'm just going to put a little bit of Loctite right here. A little dab. That's good enough.
Now that we have the 5mm hex onto the torque wrench, you want to torque this down to 22 foot-pounds, and then once you go through all of them, you want to do it to 25. Once it reaches the amount of torque that you specified it to be, you'll hear a little click sound like this, and that means you made it to that amount of torque on that stud. To give you an idea of how the BMW bolts look like, these are the E46 ones, and we're converting it to these Apex Racing ones, and we're going to be using, of course, like we said earlier, the PartsByMax Lug Nuts. Now that we have the studs put on, we're going to be putting on the wheel. Oh! 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 Let's see how much it sticks out. It goes in pretty good. That's how it's going to be. Hey dude, look at those. Look at those clean ass lug nuts, bro. Look at them. You want yours, huh?
Not the same color. It'll look good.
You got the same color, didn't you?
No.
Yeah, you did.
I got gold.
Bastard. Yeah, you did.
Yeah, same color.
If anyone wants to send us some Cheeto Puffs, we'll give you guys a shout out. That's our ish right there, huh?
Also, I did a vote on Instagram if I should get wheels or just go all out on suspension. Well, close to going all out on suspension.
And you know what he did? He decided to get both.
Well, I ordered the suspension mods because I'm like, whatever, I'll get it. And then I'm like, might as well get the wheels. So I got the wheels. So I'm gonna have both, and then I have another thing coming in, which I'm not gonna talk about yet. It's gonna be carbon.
Oh, shut up. No, cut that.
All right. Anyways, this thing is gonna make the car look pretty crazy, in my opinion. I've seen it on other cars. I've seen it on white Velocitors, kind of.
We got a lot of shit coming, guys.
We just been kind of slow lately because
Work,
like I said,
school,
that too.
cars breaking down.
Danny's oil pan first happened, and my clutch, which wasn't. That kind of, it did hold us back a lot.
What'd you get? Nah. You're a dick. You're going to hell for sure.
I got the WEARELIKEWISE Neil Diamond.
What's the name called?
Neil Diamond?
Color?
Tiffany and Ho. I wasn't expecting it to be like exactly this teal color. In the picture it looks a little bit different, but I mean it's okay. It still looks cool.
Honestly, it looks really good. Just the quality of it.
Yeah, it's really heavy actually.
So
I mean I wouldn't say it's really heavy, but
faster throws, bro.
It's got weight to it. It feels good.
We'll compare it to the color of your car right there once.
Weighted.
Oh, what'd you say, Martin, jackass?
Does it not say weighted?
We just finished putting on all the lug nuts, and they look really good. They really go with the color scheme of the car, which is literally just silver, black, chrome, and white. Not a lot of white though.
Not a lot of chrome.
Not a lot of silver. Now that we're done putting the lug nuts on my car, we're gonna be installing Bruce's shift knob on his car. He doesn't park in my driveway because
I don't leak oil actually.
He leaks oil.
I've been parking in my driveway and
He
it's
leaks
way
oil.
more slanted.
He leaks oil.
And I don't leak.
He leaks
I'm
oil.
being honest with you.
He leaks oil. This is Bruce's 2002 BMW 325 Ci. If you guys haven't watched that video, it'll be up there. So he's gonna try taking off his shift knob, and since it's not threaded, he has to yank it off. Try not to hit your face, bro.
That time was hard.
Yeah,
it's
bro.
way easier.
And then honestly, you just have to pop off the shift boot. It's pretty easy. As you can see, it's not threaded, and it's a 14mm in diameter, so we got a 14mm shift knob adapter that we have to place on top.
Slides on there. And then you got these little
Screws that Marin chose the wrong ones.
Yeah.
The shift knob also comes with a threaded adapter as well as this little non-threaded little thing that sticks on top. So you're gonna have to put the threaded in first.
Okay.
And then you just tie in the top one.
Alright, comment down below for what next model you think Bruce should get. On a budget, I would agree, right? Or it doesn't matter?
Sue's balling. Look at him.
Hey, we'll see.
We'll see.
Just let us know down below what you think, and
The mods
we'll see what he thinks.
the mods he has right now is obviously a straight pipe from the cat back and a shift knob.
And an intake.
And a little intake
My old InGen
Yo,
filter.
pop the hood so he can rev it. So he bootlegged an intake and just used the bottom of his old intake on there. Rev it.
So the lighting is gonna be a little terrible, but where we're going is on the actual adapter. It doesn't have any screws to hold it, so we're gonna head out to Lowe's right now.
We found the ones.
So we're gonna go with the first ones we originally found because we couldn't find what is it? Like half inch or so? The length?
Yeah.
But it'll work.
They're it's M5 and it's 0.8. I think that's like the width of it, and then I don't know, 16. I assume it's like millimeters long. I don't know for sure. I'm not a smart guy, but I think we're just gonna go with these, and then if we have to, we can always cut them down if they're too long. But since the shift boot is gonna cover them, I think we should be chilling. I have the YouTuber senses.
So time to head back to Static Shop, and we're gonna install the knob. That way you could get rid of this.
This shitty old wood piece of shit. The lighting's probably garbage.
Yeah, it's alright. Anyways, Danny can edit this. He's the editor. I mean, he does okay. So we just got to Daniel's son's house, and I think it came to a conclusion that we figured out the slowest shifter of the group, and that happens to be Danny. That's for talking shit about us. So Danny, fuck you. We're faster than you. You'll get gapped.
We finally got it on. The only problem is that the boot is preventing it from going all the way back into second and fourth.
Well, it's actually not the boot. It's just the screws that we got are just slightly a little too long and they stick a little bit too far out. So it's just preventing the boot from letting the it go all the way back. Like it goes in, but like it's just really tight. So what we're gonna try and do is we're gonna get like a grinder and try and cut the screws.
The threads.
They're screws.
The threading on the screws.
Okay, but what did I say? They're screws. So, bitch.
So shout out to We Are Likewise. Martin and I both have the same black death grip. The one that looks like a dildo.
A spiky dildo.
And then he obviously got this blue one. And honestly, the materials and the quality is really good, as you can see right here.
It's super good.
It's like extremely good.
Yeah, it's rock solid. It's good.
This is where we're gonna end the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below what type of videos you want us to upload and what we should do to our cars next. But on that note, hope you guys enjoyed it again. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you guys on the next one.